Hi friends, myself Prithvi. I'm here. I'm a cashew processor, and I'm here to tell you about our latest machine and customized model with the Vinayaka engineering works. I was facing problem in humidification, so I have got some customized settings in this Vinayaka engineering works, and I am happy with this humidifier. And basically in cashew humidification process is quite difficult and it has to be solved. So with the help of Vinayaka engineering works, we have got the solution. So many people told me that because of this humidifier you can't get good percentage of volts and good color of cashew. Let me show you the cashew color of mine. So you can see cashew color and even peeling percentage of mine. 1 second, hold on. I'll show even my peeling result. So and even color of the cashew. And good peeling percentage. So we are happy with this humidifier, and the specialization on customized machine in humidification which is done by Vinayaka engineering works. This is really awesome machine, friends. Happily I suggest you, this is the best model where they have provided me highly customized settings. So we have automatic and manual. So in this automatic they have provided me two settings. One is with timer, and along with this timer there is an additional timer which is helpful for different sizes of cooling humidification room. So if suppose I can use this machine for a small humidifier room and even for the big one. So with this two customized settings, they have provided me alternative options where I can use this humidifier to a big room, for a small room, anything else. So I'll show you the alternate how the humidification is done. See the fog. So the fog is really nice, so that no water will be dumped on cashew. But right now I have taken away the cashew so that no cashew is available. So max of in time we can use for 4 hours. So in 4 hours the moisture will be around, you can get around 3.2, 3.5. so it can be alternative. The moisture can be sorted or adjusted to that particular room. So with this humidifier I can have adjusted for 200 kgs of cooling. I can adjust for 400, 500, 1000, however. So you can see the fog. So fog quality is really good. See, nowhere the moisture or water drops will be dropped to the cashew kernel, so that the cashew color will not affect. So within no time the fog is filling in the room. So this is the way where we have got the good fog. When my hands are not getting wet, but this humidified fog, my cashew is getting a good color and good moisture and less broke down percentage. My cashew holds percentage is more than 70. Okay, and now I'll show you the special settings which is not done in any other machineries. So I'm happy with the Vinayaka engineering works humidifier machine, let me show you the special settings which has done by or customized by Vinayaka Engineering Works. Yeah, basically I told you about the customization. Here you can see some timer, right? This is best and additional settings which they have given to me for the best results and best solutions for the cashew processing unit. Okay, just hold on just a minute. I'll show you the special setting of this which they have provided me in Vinayaka. So now it's 0. So now fog generating has been stopped. So you can see the fog is not generating now. So because of this, the fog staying here gets reduced. For example, now there is a way open air, so the fog is coming out. So it takes some time for a normal this. If this position is not there, or this stop and start is not there, so then there is an effect of color moisture effect on cashew kernels. So okay, fine. Okay, and this is a timer which controls on and off settings, which is done by Vinayaka Engineering Works. And another special setting I'll show you now. With this settings, so any issues, so there will be a outlet point for any works which has any issues with humidifier. You can open these 2 bolts and you can have a look into the any problems it is done. So humidifier is connected directly with the aquaguard. So water aquaguard is mandatory for humidification. So I'll show you how it looks in terms of interior. In interior you can see like this 3 plates, and these 3 plates can be controlled with the help of this, so that with this MCBs I can check whether my all plates are working or not. Hold on. Now the fog is, you can see now the fog is not generating because now it's in a half time. So cut off, you can set this cut on and off cut off timing with this system. So in this you can see my on time will be 6 minutes and my half timing will be 3 minutes. So still let's wait for 1 minute. So now you can see fog how it's generating. So let me show you the special settings which is done. So no fog is generating, so only single plate fog is generating. Okay, then now this plate will be working out. Yeah, and see, I'm just switching on this. So that plate is, only that particular plate is working out. When I switch on this, only this plate will be working out. When I switch on this, only center plate will be working out. So this is the best settings which they have provided me, and I'm really happy with this humidifier. Thank you for Vinayaka Engineering Works.